Alright, next we're going to do these Tofu Turkeys. Plant-based original Italian sausage. Just going to put them in the frying pan here. Well, 4 of them in there. I'm going to cut them in thirds. I'll cut them down a little bit. Should have done this on a cutting board, huh? You can almost break these. Just break them. Alright. I also went to Aldi's and I got, you know, those stoplight peppers. So I'm going to cut those up. Alright. So we're gonna do some pretty simple sausage and peppers, I guess. Got a little sweet onion. I'll put a bit of that in. Alright. Quick and super easy. Probably should have picked a much bigger pan. I'm going to put some olive oil in it. Alright, then it's just going to cook and stir it and all that good stuff. Put a lid on it, let it steam up a little bit. Keep it moving. It's coming along. Hope I'm not ruining good peppers. Alright, I'll turn that off. Let's see what we got here. Onion, pepper, hot. Alright, I guess here's the test of this fake Italian sausage. Okay, here's where the honest part comes in. The flavor's not terrible, but the texture's just not right. I think I can eat it, but I don't think I'll do it again. Big shocker, huh? Surprised that Italian guy wasn't going to like tofu sausage. Alright, have a great and wonderful day. Alright, YouTubers, I ate some more of it and I want to give an update. Still not my favorite thing in the world, but as I ate more of the fake Italian sausage, it got a little bit better. Again, still not my first choice, but it was better than my initial taste. If that makes sense. I guess you get used to it. Peppers were on sale, so use them. Right, so I cored these, cut the centers out, and now we're gonna make them into a boat. And we'll clean these out. And I'll get those all cleaned out. Alright, I might be able to get a couple more. So we're gonna core this one too. Boom, pull it out like that. Alright. Some onion. And these are chorizo crumbles from Morningstar. I'm going to see how these do. Turn the pan up. Put a little olive oil in. So there's it. It looks and smells like chorizo when you smell into the bag. So it says in the skillet. Put the crumbles in the skillet. Add a third cup of water. Cover it. Medium-high heat for about 4 minutes. Here's my Brita thing. We'll call that a third of a cup. Probably needs a little bit more. That was probably shy of a third of a cup. So there we go. We'll stir these around a little bit. Put a lid that kind of fits it. And we'll be back in about 4 minutes. Alright, let's look at this. It's very wet and gooey. I'm going to let it cook for a while without a lid. The water, I'm sure, just... And we're back. The water, I'm sure, just rehydrates. And now we got to cook the water back out. It smells like chorizo. It smells very good. Oh, yeah. This is only a couple seconds later. I'm going to put the onion in. Alright. Over while it's cooking. It really does smell like normal chorizo. Let's see how it tastes through the steam. Now here's the mushrooms and the zucchini I had cooked earlier. Put those in there. Put that down. I'm going to stir this all in. Seems like I just add pretty much the same 3 or 4 vegetables to pretty much everything I cook. Alright, we're going to let that keep going. And now I'm going to add some mozzarella mozzarella, whatever way the Italians in your area pronounce it. Italian Americans, we seem to, no matter where you are in the States, different groups of Italians in different areas call it different things. Most I know call it mozzarella. I know some that call it mozzarella. I don't know anybody that calls it mozzarella. And I'm not making fun of anybody. I don't call tacos either like they do in England. Not that there's anything wrong with that. I think they call it. I've heard it called that. Pronounced that way. Alright, a little bit more. Probably should have used a different stirring device because I'm going to need a different one. But what I'm going to do now is I got a fork and I'm going to grab a little bit of this mixture. This concoction. See? See how it tastes. Well, that's not bad. It smelled spicier than it is. So, I'm going to add some of the rooster. Smiley face rooster. That's a good amount. And as is often my opinion, sriracha helps everything. If you got something that's just not quite where you need it to be, add it, because it gives you a little bit of garlic too. And taste a little bit of it now. Yep, that's going to be good. Okay, next step. So okay, we got some of those in there, and now we're going to fill them up. And I have more peppers, so I'll be able to make more meals. Now we're going to put little dollops of mozzarella on there. So it looks like about 10 minutes is enough. Yeah. Woohoo. So okay, let's cut into this puppy. Maybe if I can get some to stay in it. There we go. That's going to be a big bite. There we go. That's not bad at all. The chorizo smelled like it was going to be spicy, but, well, there's a little bit to it, but it's not that spicy. But then again, I'm a spice fan, so your results may vary. I know a lot of people say, uh-oh, it's got a lot of soy. And sure, you should be careful of how much soy you eat. Side note, all that corn products, Q-U-O-R-N, there's no soy in that. And also, now, factory farms feed cows soy, so you're going to get your soy one way or the other. Alright, alright. Fly over the plate. Hope you enjoyed. That's not bad at all. Alright, there we go. There was another veggie meal. Hope you enjoyed and that you have a great and wonderful day. I'm just going to add this quick meal in with another video, but that is dirty rice, Zataran style. And I'm going to have some fun with it with these. Hold on. I don't want them to go to waste, so I'm going to use them. And now I got them in the New Wave Mini, and I'm going to cook them for about 10 minutes, which I don't even need to do. I could have just sliced up the peppers and ate them with it, but I figured what the heck, we'll have a little fun. There's 10 minutes in there. I had one left, so I ate that raw with it, and that's pretty good. I'm going to let them cool. This is silly. There's no point in it, but taste it. Yep, that's fine. Good to use the peppers. Fly over. All right, something silly and pointless. Have a great and wonderful day. It's pasty time. All right, I've done all this veggie stuff. You want to get real good veggie stuff? Go with a Gene K's Veggie Pasty. That makes for a great and wonderful day. All right, beef pasty time. All right, that's about 45 minutes. Gonna shut it up, and I'm gonna plate that pasty. There's the pasty. There's the Gene K's pasty sauce. This stuff is really good. They make it right there on site in Marquette, Michigan. I have to get some more of them pretty soon. I stocked up a whole bunch, but I'm almost out. There we go. And again, this ain't the veggie one. The veggie ones are good, but this is a beef one. That's really good. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. It's been a long winter. A lot of that veggie stuff, but it's time for a London broil. This has been in the freezer for a little bit, but we're going to cook it up with some applewood rub. I think it's still okay. GoPro doesn't do great catching meat, the reds of it, especially inside with the bad lighting. But I'll break this out, and I'm also going to break out the grill. Of course, it needs sriracha. Back to my standard way of doing London broils. I'm excited. That much. And I won't show it for super long. I'll make the video quick. But it is London broil time, and I'm excited. It's also red potato time. All right. Probably making too many potatoes, but I'm hungry. That's a lot. That's too many potatoes. All right. Next. That's way too many potatoes, Dan. Unpile them, they look even worse. Olive oil. Creole seasoning. Garlic powder. That is an S-ton of potatoes. I try not to curse on here. That is an S-ton. Alright, foil pack is done. Alright, the hose from the 20 pounder to the regulator. I'll open it. There we go. The grill is lit. Winter is over, grill. Time to get cooking. Start with the foil pack. Oh yeah, this cooking. I just opened it and added some more olive oil. London broil time. Get out of there, you. Start the timer. Okay, it's flipping time. Another 2 minutes on this higher. Okay, I'm gonna flip again. And turn the heat off and do indirect. Time to flip it. Another 3 minutes of indirect. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna go let the steak rest. I'll let the potatoes finish up cooking. Here we go. First potatoes. We're good. I'm gonna cut into this. Oh, still pink in there. I don't know how well the color's being picked up. Flyover. Doesn't that look good? London broil with sriracha and applewood rub. Let's taste it. Alright, we're gonna taste it. I have not had London broil in a while. Alright, so maybe over the winter it was nice to eat some veggie products and plant-based stuff, but spring comes along, a London broil works really good. Man, that's good. Alright, YouTubers, now have a great and wonderful day.